Hello again, it's Sanai back with an orange art box. So let's start. Okay, let's start by opening the protective packaging. So apparently the genre for this is insects. Alright, so let's start. So first thing I pick up is this finger butterfly. So cute, oh my gosh. I'm like not sure about this. Next thing I pick up is the spider, like a pink one. I don't care if it's fake. I'm still scared of spiders, whatever. Okay, next we have what looks like a jar. Oh, it's called a My Bug jar. But you got like a grasshopper in there. That's what it looks like. Alright. We have a package with glue dots, some other materials. We'll see what we're gonna make later. So it looks this. We have some insect not samples, sorry, stencils. This looks like a cockroach, or yeah, dragonfly, spider, and a fly. We have paper. I'm guessing these are for the stencils. That makes sense. Oh my gosh. We have markers, Crayola. I don't have those in my closet. Alright. Next we have a color and velvet stickers. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Okay. Then we have our folder, per usual. Put all your crafts in. Okay. Looks like we have multiple projects. I won't be bored this summer, that's for sure. This is what's in our orange art box. So excited. So I'm gonna get started on my projects now. So bye.